Hello friends, if you are using Windows 8, Windows 8.1 or Windows 10, you must have to enable .NET 3.5 frameworks to use various softwares like MS Office, AutoCAD and many more. If you can't do this, you you are not able to use these software or install these softwares. So guys, there are two methods for enabling .NET 3.5. One is online method and other is offline methods. In online method you have to spend more MBs data, and in offline method you just need a installation media or an ISO file by which you can enable .NET 3.5. So let's begin. First we have to right click on start, and then a pop-up window opens. Click on program and files, then on the left corner we see that there is written that turn Windows features on or off. Click on it and there is a list of several features, and here is .NET Framework 3.5 including NET 2.0 and 3.0. We have to enable that features, so we click on this checkbox and OK. Searching required files. Window is searching required files, but there is no files. Window needs to files from update. Window download these files from online, or we can enable it offline method. So here in my PC there is no .NET 3.5 enables, so we have to enable it. Okay, we have to close. So for enabling offline .NET 3.5 we have to open command prompt with administrative privileges. So there is a command prompt admin. Click on it. Command prompt window opens, and I have a command line like this: dism/online enabling features.net blah blah. But here is a problem that we need a installation media like a pen drive, bootable pen drive, or a installation CD or an ISO files. So in this case I don't have. In my case I have an Windows 10 but 32-bit and 64-bit ISO file. So right click on ISO file and click on mount. It will be mounted as a DVD drive having a different drive path. In my case there is drive D. So go on command prompt and copy this command line. This command line is mentioned in the video description. So copy and paste. And while pasting, please keep in mind that the letter or at your installation media's drive and this letter should be same. So whatever your drive letters is doesn't matter. According to your drive, change here the drive. If your drive is mounted on E drive, so simply replace the D with E or any other letters. So in my case the drive is in D, so I pasted as source colon D. Then after pasting on the command prompt, press enter, and the deployment image service and management tool started. And after few minutes the .NET 3.5 will enable in my PC. So it takes some time. Let's wait and watch. It takes 4 to 5 minutes according to version of your Windows installation, whether it is 8 or 8.1 or Windows 10. As you can see that the process is about to complete, and after when it reached to 100%, our .NET 3.5 framework will enabled automatically. Then 99% and 100%. So the operation completed successfully, and after when see that the operation completed successfully, we close the command prompt and let's check whether it enabled or not. So go to program and features, then Windows features, on or off. Here we can see that tick is already in the checkbox. So now our .NET 3.5 framework including 2.0 and 3.0 is enabled. So like this we can enable .NET 3.5 in all the latest versions of Windows like 8, 8.1 and 10 without any data charges. So friends, please share this video, comment and subscribe my channels for more and more updates regarding PCs and latest technologies. Thank you.